Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to actually use LG washing machine. So we're gonna be talking about this LG washing machine, and the first thing that you need to do is just make sure that you turn it on. So once the washing machine is turned on, you can open the door and throw inside all of the clothes that you want to wash. Then make sure to close the door till you hear the tick and make sure that it's like properly closed. Then it's a matter to choose the correct mode depending on the type of the clothing that you are washing. As example, the most like versatile is mixed fabric, and initially it's gonna show just 3 lines here because it will calculate how long it should wash these clothes based on the weight, how much is loaded inside. Then you have the water temperature and also the speed of the spinning to make sure that your clothes are not completely wet. If we talk about putting in the washing powder or the softener, those things go here, like in the apartment number 1 and apartment number 2, and you don't need to put them in all the time. You just make sure that you add till the max, and then the washing machine itself, every washing cycle will take as much cleaning stuff as it needs. So once you selected the mode, added the clothes inside, added the washing powder and softener, if you need to change the temperature, you click on the temp. That's the switches between all the degrees. And if you want to adjust the spin mode, then you click on this button. If you want to adjust how much actually softener or the washing powder to use, that is done with these buttons. Like here, we can see that it's in a minimal level, normal, and maximal level. Same applies for the scale in the bottom. Just press and hold on the number 2, and then adjust how much you want to dose that. Once everything is ready, just make sure to press the play button and the washing will start, and it's gonna take something around 1 hour and 20 minutes.